Welcome everyone, Outspoken Silent One. This video I want to talk about something I haven't actually ever touched on, and it's talking about Chuck Schumer from New York. Everybody, if you don't know his name, you obviously have not been paying attention to a lot of the politics going on right now concerning Amy Coney Barrett, which was Trump's nomination to replace Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Now, I want to start off because I didn't do anything about it. I didn't make a video or really anything about what now has happened to Trump and the First Lady being tested for positive for COVID. I hope nothing happens with them. They recover. My wishes go out to them because I know COVID is a serious thing. It's actually kind of sad to hear all these news analysts, reporters, and people out there hoping for his death, planning for different things to happen, like talking to Pelosi about, has anybody gone to her about if something happens to Trump, about her taking over, but they're passing over the fact that Pence, he's next in line, and he hasn't tested positive for it, and he's still healthy. And he would take up Trump's responsibilities if something did happen to Trump. But this actually goes in connection with the stuff on Chuck Schumer. Yesterday, he released a comment. He's been doing everything he can to stop the voting for Amy Coney Barrett to be put in. Well, the issue is the Democrats are fighting it every bit of the way. They want to wait till after the election, claiming that it's not right. They should be following Ruth Bader's dying wish of not replacing her till after the election. But they're also ignoring the other part that she had actually said early before that a president isn't president for only 3 years. He's president for 4. It just so happens he's in office. Face it, it's his decision. If the shoe was on the other foot, Democrat was in office, they do the exact same thing, but they'd be in support of it. Well, Schumer keeps putting all these things out there about not electing her or going on with voting, and completely trying to discredit Amy Coney Barrett in every single way, saying that she's going to get rid of insurance, going to get rid of everything. Now, I fall back on the one thing when it comes to this issue with Schumer's stance for her to be voted in. The issue is that him and a few other of the Democratic chairs aren't even going to meet with Amy Coney Barrett, because they say it's just on the principle of the way everything's being done. So they're completely ignoring or denying meeting with her before for anything. Doesn't matter how well qualified she is, which is very high. And she's got a great background. She's got great credentials for the position. And she was selected by over so many others. And she is a great choice for it. Well, he's been doing everything he can. People are trying to go after her for so much, going after her family, going after her religion, going after the fact that she's a mom of 7, that she wouldn't be able to hold the position, which is a bad sexist thing, saying it's a blow to moms throughout the world, and especially the US, that are working moms, that are still taking care of families. She has 7 kids, 2 adopted, 2 black children from Haiti, with 5 other kids that she birthed. Well, it's going after them. I mean, this is low as can be. Well, he keeps saying that they shouldn't do it because it's not right. Other Democrats are still meeting with her. I feel they don't want to meet with her because they will actually be swayed and agree with her. So they're going after her. So, well, she'd get rid of insurance. She wouldn't do, or she'd ignore everything with guns, everything like that. And to me, it's getting annoying. It is really a stupid argument to have. I mean, he had how much time to do this? There's still plenty of time to vote her in. But my thing is, especially when it comes to the insurance part, is if he's not even willing to meet with her, how does he know that is her plan, is to get rid of insurance, health insurance for people? If you're making this claim, I feel you need to back this up. If you're not going to meet with her to find out what her plan actually is, what her stance is, why bring this up if you won't even listen to her? If you're going to make this claim without even talking with her, show proof. Show where you're getting your information from. I hope this video somehow makes it to Schumer. If he is trying to sway so many people away from doing the vote, he needs to do something that would definitely sway these people and show proof of where he's getting this information. Show us the information. Show us your contact. Where you're getting this idea. And I guarantee this whole idea will be switched completely around and people would look at it differently. But he's just going off of hearsay and making things up. Now, if he did show us, that would be great, which he definitely needs to do. If he doesn't do it, we don't know what to do on him. I mean, Pelosi, she's for everything. She's against it. And it's that all these far left Democratic liberals are pushing for this not to happen. Well, if that's the issue, why can't you show us where you've seen this, where you heard this, where you got this information? I said, I want to see this go to Schumer in some way, some possible way. It can make it back to Schumer to have him at least during one of these conferences or these meetings that he has, show these people, show the public where you're getting this, back your claim. Until then, you're not helping. If you have means and you have facts and can show proof of it, that will change so many more opinions and show you're doing the right thing. But instead, they're going about it the way they are. Now, this is all this video is going to be about, and this is the end of it. So if somehow this can get there, or if someone can actually show proof, put it down in comments, whatever. I don't care. Somehow show me proof that this is her plan. She hasn't even taken up the chair. But yet these people know already the exact stance and the exact way she's going to perform everything. If you're going to make these claims and accusations, back it. If you can prove to me on this and show me the actual facts and data where they're getting this information, please put it down in comments. I want to know. Because this could make, or any of that information could actually completely debunk this video. But I do it a lot on Facebook. I call people out. They're making claims about Trump or whatever, about Antifa, about anything that happens during all the civil unrest that we're having right now in the country. Making these claims, one of my first things I ask is, show it to me then. Where are you getting these facts? Where are you getting these ideas? And I'm telling you now, at least 95% of the time, I have not been proven wrong. Either one, they will not respond to my answer, to give me an answer, or two, they will try and change the subject entirely against what the conversation is about. Now, I go off of facts, and a lot of times, I won't acknowledge something or believe it until I see facts. Well, the issue is we keep seeing this. If this is such an important thing, you need to back it and show your stuff. Now, if somebody can do that, great. Please do it. Debunk my thought. But if you can't, maybe you should start seeing things in a different view, because people like me and a lot of others are making valid points and arguments that need to be brought up. Now, I'm ending it here. If you like it, my videos, subscribe. I put out as many as I can in a week. Less towards the end of the week and on the weekends, but more at the beginning of the week, because that's where I hear more news from weekends, where more things happen. People aren't at work, whatever. More things happen on the weekend. So I'm able to do more videos at the beginning of the week. So if you like it, subscribe, share it, whatever, be great. And this video, I want to see some way for this to go to Schumer, to show him and to really call him out on this. I highly doubt it'll make it to him. I don't have a following like so many others, so I doubt it makes it to Schumer. But if somehow it can, please get it to him. Because this, and I have yet to agree with anything he's actually said. It's the same with Pelosi. It's just, she gets on my nerves to no end. And he's right there next to her, along with AOC, along with Biden, along with Kamala Harris, all these people. But when it comes to this with the Amy Coney Barrett, he is the front runner. He needs to do this. He is the leader, the minority leader. If he feels this way, show people, show the Senate, show everybody what's going on. Prove your point with facts, not with accusations. So if you like it, subscribe. If you don't, I'm sorry. Watch for my videos. I put them out for many different things in current events or the politics right now, because it's such a major issue. So if you like it, share it. Think someone else, especially if you think someone else will like it as well, or if they have a good argument and can help out with what I'm asking. If you can't, try and find somebody that can. That's all I ask. If you like it and you want to keep seeing more, please let me know. If you see any ways that I can improve, please tell me in comments, because I will take a look at it and take it under advisement. If not, try it out in an upcoming video that I'm going to do. So if you want to see more, you want to hear more, watch for me. Get my notifications of whenever I put a video out. It will help. I'm on Facebook, or I get posted on Facebook. Please follow. If you can, it would definitely help. I want to grow. Right now, I am using the most minimal of equipment that I can. And be able to still put out videos. Apart from that, watch for my next video, and I hope to see you then. Thanks.